Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardale and today's video is all about the brand new Kia EV6, a fully electric vehicle that is now protected with a Thinkware dashcam. The product itself is something called a Thinkware U1000 dashcam. It's a front and rear camera solution that also records when the vehicle is parked as well as on the road. So we're going to head inside the vehicle and show you a little bit more about what the actual product does. So we're now inside the very futuristic Kia EV6. As you can see here, we've got the front dash cam in front of us now. The actual product itself is something called a Thinkware U1000. The front camera is like the brain of the system. It's got a 4K image quality lens inside there, a phenomenal bit of kit, but it also comes with a polarizing lens to help against anti-glare, but also we've got a really neat installation here. So the cable run goes up directly up to here, then goes all the way directly hidden behind factory panels, and also enabling the fact that everything is done to the highest possible safety standards in terms of an installation, but also very, very neat. From driver's view, the mirror kind of obstructs the actual camera view itself, so you can't really see it that much from the actual driver's seat, which is the main thing. But even sitting in the passenger seat, it's still very, very discreet, very neat cable run, as well as the camera is nice and easily mounted and accessible if ever needed. But the main thing you can actually do is you don't need to take out the SD card that's built in and comes with the kit itself. You can actually download all the footage, change all the settings, all live directly on the application itself. It's called Thinkware Cloud, and you can actually go through, download that right now, and you can see a little bit more about what the actual app does. But we've also done a full separate video which goes through actually a full detailed run through start to finish on how you connect the app, and that's called How to Use the Thinkware Cloud app. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it, and we're all wrapped up on today's install of the Kia EV6 dash camera install. If you're interested in something similar on your vehicle, all the details are in the description below, but also it would really help us out if you could smash that subscribe button, like the video, but also share it with friends and family as well. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.